Top 5 tips to prevent car rust. 1. Cleaning the drain holes in the car body. All vehicles have water drainage channels. The drainage holes can get clogged with dirt during car operation, trapping moisture in the car body cavities. Checking and cleaning the drainage holes regularly prevents rust. Don't forget to routinely inspect the space between the windscreen and the bonnet. If the car has been parked under trees and leaves have accumulated in this gap, be sure to remove them. 2. Washing the vehicle regularly. Wash the car routinely. It's especially important to visit a car wash in winter if the road surfaces in your area are treated with de-icing chemicals. How can you prevent rust? Clean the wheel wells thoroughly when washing your car. Neglecting to wash the wheel arches will result in layers of dirt, with rust developing faster under them. When washing your car, pay particular attention to the wheel arch trims and door moldings and flush the dirt from underneath them thoroughly. Over time, the anti-corrosion coating on the underbody and wheel wells loses its properties and deteriorates. In this case, the anti-corrosion coating should be reapplied. 3. Removing chips. How can you remove rust from the bodywork? After washing the car, inspect the bodywork, paying particular attention to the bonnet and door edges. If you see any chips, degrease these areas and let them dry. If the damage is right down to the metal, apply primer and wait for it to dry completely. Then apply a special touch-up pen to the affected areas to match the color of the bodywork. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. To remove rust from a chipped area, apply a rust converter and carefully sand the surface down with fine grit sandpaper. Then follow the steps described earlier. To effectively protect the bodywork against chipping, apply a clear paint protection polyurethane film to vulnerable parts. Keep your car parked in a dry place. Park your car in a dry, well-ventilated car park, garage or covered parking space. Keep in mind that if air circulation is impaired, condensation will form on the bodywork, which will lead to rust over time. 5. Anti-corrosion treatment. Today, a wide range of special products are available to prevent rust on the bodywork. Make it a rule to check the condition of the underbody every time you change the engine oil. To protect your arches and wings from being blasted by road debris, equip the vehicle with mud flaps and wheel arch liners if these weren't part of the original equipment. If neglected, corrosion can lead to costly bodywork repairs, so prevention will save you money in the long run.